How's everybody doing? This is Eric with Ackers Chimney Services. Northwest. I'm on the northwest side of town. It's the March, towards the end of March of 2025. Got a masonry crown that has cracked up. And if you look in this, look at this. So they laid probably pieces of picket fence or whatnot, scrap lumber to support this. Looks like a sand mix also. It's been caulked at one point in time for some patch ups. And look at this, more wood, more cracking, more wood in there. I don't know if you can see that. I'm touching wood. Yeah, these are pieces of picket. More wood, cracked up, look, more wood, cracked up. And so what the project will be on this is, just because of the parameters or whatnot, what I'm going to do is we're going to remove all of this. We're going to see what's going on underneath here, and we're going to cut rebar and lay it across, and then we're going to go ahead and have hardware cloth, and we're going to mix up some fiber reinforced concrete and relay this properly. So that's where we're at. So I just wanted to do a quick once over right now, and I'll be back up here removing this in a second.